Hello folks, it's M here. It snowed in Kenosha last night. Actually it started during the day and it just come down about, they said 7 inches, a big blizzard for like 8 hours. And this morning it finally stopped and I cleared up my, shoveled. Now I'm at the Goodwill about to go in, and I just wanted to show you, the snow, the little hills. If you can see here, and there's snow in there. So let's walk a little, and here's some snow. You like snow? Do you like snow? Look at that. Look at that huge snow hill. Huge snow hill in Kenosha. Look at that when all that melts. Well, that'll make the farmers happy. They'll get plenty of water. So look at that. It's half as high as the Goodwill. The snow hill. Look at that snow hill. They pushed all that snow. Look at big ass snow hill.